Have you ever wondered what terrors lurk in the unfathomable depths of space? The vastness of the cosmos is a realm of unending mystery and chilling enigmas, a void that extends far beyond our wildest imaginations. It's a boundless expanse that holds countless galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars and possibly a multitude of planets. Yet, much of it remains unknown, unexplored, and unseen. In this seemingly infinite darkness, one may assume that silence would reign supreme. However, contrary to this belief, space is not entirely silent. Astronauts who have dared to venture into this great void have reported hearing strange, otherworldly sounds. Despite the vacuum of space, which should theoretically make it devoid of sound, these eerie noises persist. In the late 60s, during the historic Apollo missions, astronauts reported hearing a strange kind of music. As they orbited the dark side of the moon, far from Earth's radio transmissions, these brave explorers were met with an unsettling whistling sound. Unearthly and haunting, it was a melody that was not of our world, a symphony of the cosmos that sent shivers down their spines. These strange sounds, this cosmic music, remains an unsolved mystery. Some suggest it could be the result of charged particles interacting with the magnetic fields of celestial bodies, while others propose more unsettling theories. Could these sounds be the whispers of cosmic entities or perhaps the echoes of alien civilizations? We may never know. Space, as we understand it, is a realm of silent terror. It's a place where the normal rules of life and physics as we know them often don't apply, where strange sounds echo through the vacuum, and where the unseen horrors lie in wait. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, the mysteries only seem to grow darker and more chilling. What lies beyond our understanding in the farthest corners of the universe is a question that continues to haunt us. For now, all we can do is gaze into the void and wonder at the unseen horrors that may lurk in its unfathomable depths. Are we alone in the universe, or are there entities beyond our comprehension? This is the question that has intrigued humanity for centuries. The alien question, as it is often called, is a frightening proposition that brings with it a mix of both dread and fascination. First, let's consider the arguments for the existence of extraterrestrial life. The Drake equation, proposed by Frank Drake in 1961, provides a mathematical framework for estimating the number of advanced civilizations in our galaxy. It takes into account factors like the rate of star formation, the number of those stars with planetary systems, and the number of planets that could potentially support life. And when you crunch the numbers, even conservative estimates suggest that we should not be alone. Yet, we've had no confirmed contact with alien civilizations. This conundrum is known as the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi. It highlights the contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of contact or evidence for such civilizations. Where is everybody? Adding to the mystery is the WOW signal, a strong narrowband radio signal detected by Jerry R. Amon on August 15, 1977. This signal, originating from a region of the sky with no obvious celestial source, bore the expected hallmarks of extraterrestrial origin. Despite numerous attempts, the signal has never been detected again, adding an eerie note to the symphony of space. Are these signs of life beyond our world, or merely cosmic coincidences? The truth remains elusive. Skeptics argue that we have yet to find concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life, while believers point to these mysteries as proof that we are not alone. As we gaze up at the night sky, we can't help but wonder what lies beyond our reach. The truth remains elusive, but the possibility of alien life is a chilling thought. Not all celestial bodies are as serene as they appear from our earthly perspective. Take Venus, for instance. Beneath its mesmerizing golden clouds lies an infernal world, where scorching temperatures can melt lead and rain is corrosive, a literal acid shower. The atmospheric pressure is a crushing 92 times that of Earth. It's like being a mile beneath the ocean, only instead of water, you're surrounded by a thick, carbon dioxide soup. Now let's turn our gaze towards the gas giant Jupiter. It's not just a swirling, stormy spectacle. It's a cosmic radiation factory. The planet's immense magnetic field traps and accelerates particles, creating a lethal cocktail of radiation. An unprotected human would be fried within seconds. But the terror doesn't stop at our neighborhood planets. Space is a wild frontier where rogue planets roam. These are worlds thrown out of their orbits, banished to drift through the cosmic void. With no star to tether them, they hurtle through space at staggering speeds, unseen and unpredictable. And then, there's the ultimate beast of the cosmos, black holes. These are not just points in space but monsters of gravity. They can rip apart stars, swallow entire solar systems, and warp time itself. The edge of a black hole, the event horizon, is a point of no return. Anything that crosses this boundary is lost forever, including light itself. But remember, these are just the terrors we know about. The universe is vast, and our understanding is limited. For every known danger, there could be 1,000 unknown, lurking in the dark corners of the cosmos. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember this. It's not just a serene tapestry of stars, it's a wild, untamed frontier, filled with wonders and horrors alike. Space, it seems, is far from a peaceful frontier. Imagine the horror of being lost in the infinite expanse of space, with no hope of return. These chilling words resonate with the stark reality that some astronauts have faced. Their story is a haunting testament to the dangers of space exploration. Consider the tale of the cosmonaut who supposedly sent a distress signal from an unauthorized mission in the early 60s. As the story goes, the transmission was filled with the desperate pleas of a woman, her voice echoing the terror of being lost in the vacuum of space. The signal eventually faded into oblivion, leaving behind an eerie silence. To this day, the veracity of this story remains a mystery, a chilling reminder of the risks inherent in traversing the cosmic abyss. There's also the tragic story of the crew aboard the Space Shuttle Challenger. 7 brave souls who dared to venture into the unknown, their journey cut tragically short by a catastrophic explosion just 73 seconds into their flight. The world watched in disbelief as the spacecraft disintegrated, a stark reminder of the fragility of human life against the backdrop of the cosmos. But space's dangers are not limited to physical threats. The psychological toll of isolation and confinement in a spacecraft can be equally terrifying. Astronauts must combat the profound loneliness of being millions of miles away from home, the vastness of space a constant reminder of their solitude. The effects of this isolation can lead to depression, anxiety, and even hallucinations, adding another layer of fear to the already daunting prospect of space travel. And let's not forget the potential for equipment failure. A minor malfunction on Earth can be a mere inconvenience, but in the unforgiving vacuum of space, it could mean the difference between life and death. Astronauts must be prepared to face these challenges, their lives hanging in the delicate balance of their spacecraft's functionality. The brave souls who venture into space risk not only their lives but their sanity. This statement underscores the immense courage of these explorers, their stories a stark reminder of the terrors that lurk in the vast, uncharted wilderness of space. Our universe is filled with signals and phenomena that defy explanation, and in this vast cosmic arena, we are but mere spectators, striving to unravel the mysteries that lie beyond our reach. One such enigma is the fast radio bursts, or FRBs. These are incredibly powerful flashes of radio waves that last only a few milliseconds. Originating billions of light-years away, their source remains a topic of heated debate among astronomers. Could these be the desperate cries of distant celestial bodies, or are they the cryptic messages from advanced alien civilizations? The truth, as it often is in the realm of space, remains elusive. Then we have the Voyager spacecrafts, our brave emissaries into the cosmos. Launched in the late 70s, these robotic explorers carry with them the Golden Records, a compendium of images, sounds, and messages that represent life on Earth. But here's where it gets intriguing. In 2013, Voyager 1, nearly 40 years into its journey, began transmitting data that scientists couldn't quite comprehend. The spacecraft had entered an uncharted region of space, where the rules of physics seemed to twist and turn. Was this a natural cosmic phenomenon? Or had Voyager stumbled upon something far more perplexing? And let's not forget the WOW signal, a strong narrowband radio signal detected by Dr. Jerry R. Ehman in 1977. The signal, originating from the constellation Sagittarius, lasted for a full 72 seconds and was never detected again. The excitement it generated was so intense that Ehman circled the reading on the computer printout and simply wrote "Wow." These instances are but a fraction of the unexplained phenomena that we've encountered in the vast expanse of space. Each signal, each anomaly, presents a tantalizing possibility of the unknown, the unexplored, and perhaps the extraterrestrial. The universe is speaking to us, but what is it trying to say? Perhaps we may never truly know. Or perhaps someday, we might just crack the cosmic code and uncover the secrets that lie hidden in the darkness. Until then, we continue to listen, to explore, and to wonder. In the end, it is the unknown that frightens us the most. The cosmos, in its vast and infinite expanse, is a testament to the mysteries that yet remain to be understood. As we gaze into the starlit abyss, the uncharted territories of space beckon us with a chilling allure. Among these enigmas, the theories of dark matter and dark energy stand out as particularly chilling. Imagine, if you will, unseen forces, invisible yet omnipresent, with the power to bend the universe to their will. These are not the stuff of science fiction, but rather the very realities that scientists grapple with today. Dark matter, an elusive substance, is believed to make up approximately 85% of the universe's mass. Yet, despite its ubiquity, it has managed to elude detection. It does not interact with light or other forms of electromagnetic radiation, making it virtually invisible. Like a cosmic phantom, it makes its presence known only through its gravitational effects on visible matter. On the other hand, dark energy, an equally enigmatic entity, is thought to be responsible for the accelerating expansion of our universe. It's as if some unseen hand is continually stretching the cosmic fabric, pulling galaxies apart at an ever-increasing pace. The implications of this are truly mind-boggling, hinting at a future where galaxies drift so far apart that they disappear from each other's view, leaving behind a cold, dark, and lonely universe. These theories, though terrifying, underscore our quest for knowledge and our determination to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. They serve as humbling reminders of our place in the universe and the vastness of what we don't yet comprehend. Despite the strides we've made in space exploration, we are still infants in the grand cosmic scheme, grappling with questions that may not have answers. Yet it is this very uncertainty, the fear of the unknown, that drives our curiosity and fuels our quest for understanding. The more we learn about the universe, the more we realize how much we don't know. From eerie sounds to unexplained signals, from monstrous celestial bodies to the fear of the unknown, space is a realm of unimaginable horrors. Today, we journeyed together into the vast and terrifying unknown, where we found tales of horror that would make the bravest among us quiver. We've heard the haunting, otherworldly sounds of space, a symphony of cosmic phenomena that hums in the darkness. These sounds, though emanating from natural phenomena like pulsars and black holes, echo with an eerie, almost supernatural quality that sends chills down our spines. But these sounds are not the only things that lurk in the dark corners of the cosmos. We also probed the question of alien life, a question that has haunted mankind for centuries. Are we alone in the universe? Or are there other sentient beings out there, perhaps watching us, perhaps reaching out? The idea of life beyond our planet, be it microbial organisms on Mars or complex civilizations in distant galaxies, is both fascinating and terrifying. Our journey then took us to the monstrous celestial bodies that inhabit the universe. Enormous gas giants, blazing stars, and black holes so dense that not even light can escape their grasp. These celestial bodies, with their extreme conditions and destructive power, are a stark reminder of the hostile and unforgiving nature of space. We also remembered the brave astronauts who have ventured into the abyss, some of whom never returned. The vastness of space makes it easy to lose oneself, and the thought of being lost in the infinite expanse is a nightmare from which one can never wake up. Their stories serve as grim reminders of the perils that await us in the void. The unexplained phenomena that we encounter in space only add to its horror. From the mysterious fast radio bursts to the inexplicable wow signal, these phenomena suggest that there is much about the universe that we do not yet understand. The unknown is always frightening, and in space the unknown is everywhere. Finally, we confronted the fear of the unknown. The vastness of space, the infinite possibilities, the unanswered questions, all serve to remind us of our own insignificance in the grand scheme of things. But it is this fear that drives us to explore, to learn, and to seek answers. In the face of such terrors, we are reminded of our own insignificance. Yet it is this very insignificance that drives us to explore, to understand, and to conquer our fears. Until next time, remember, the universe is far more mysterious and terrifying than you can possibly imagine.